What's up, guys? Callahan Garage here. Check out what the rims on the 57 look like before my buddy Derek got a hold of them. Just gonna show you real quick. Take a look.
These are the Purple People Eater wheels, and this is what happens to aluminum wheels when they're neglected for 20-30 years. They get a little corrosion, a little oxidization. Brian asked me to clean these up and paint them real quick for the power tour, which is just a short time away, and we just don't have time for powder coat. So we're gonna do just a quick clean up and paint job. Now, Brian told me just to paint them black, and we talked about it, and then black was just an easy solution, but I think I can do something a little different. I found this. Now, it's not perfect, but it's going to be close. I think it's going to be close enough to look good on the Purple People Eater. Now, notice I'm using a engine high heat enamel, and that is because I know Brian likes to do big smoky burnouts in this car, so we got to be ready for the high heat. So hopefully this will hold up pretty good. He doesn't know, he asked me to do them black, and he doesn't know yet that I'm gonna try and paint these with a purple and silver two-tone. Now it's just a quick knock it out. We'll get this corrosion sanded out and cleaned up real good, and then just do a quick paint job on them, and we'll see how it goes. Here's one that's done. I know this isn't what we talked about, Brian. Don't be mad at me, but I think this is a little better than what we had talked about.
All right, guys. Well, the 57 is out of my shop for the first time in a while. This is what the new stance looks like. Don't know if I'm too happy with it. I think it's a little high. We may change it after power tour, but it will ride comfortably. However, this video is kind of about the rims. I want to give a shout out to my buddy Derek, who put a lot of time and effort into these rims. I'd love to say I get to do all this stuff myself and I'm that good, but these are amazing. Actually, kind of, I expected black because it was easy, and he just hit it out of the park. I mean, even the purple matches the car pretty well. So it's amazing. Thanks again, Derek. Got 12 days till power tour, so hopefully we'll see you guys there. Hopefully we'll make it. We might. Still working on the brakes, as always. So talk to you soon. Remember, make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks.